Daisy the Duck's Pond, Adventure. This story is based on the character in the Animal ABC book, written by Roxania Dwyer-Stewart. On a bright sunny morning, in a little pond filled with sparkling water and soft green reeds, lived a gentle duck named Daisy. Daisy was very special. Her feathers were brown and white, and she had a shiny black patch on her head that made her look extra cute. Every day, Daisy loved to swim and play with her friends around the pond. But one day, when Daisy flapped her wings and splashed into the cool water, she discovered something very unusual. Her friends were nowhere to be seen. "Quack, quack," Daisy called softly, looking all around the pond. "Where are you, my dear friends?" Her heart felt a little heavy because she missed laughing and playing with them. Daisy paddled slowly to the edge of the pond and sat on a smooth, round stone. She thought, "Maybe they are playing hide and seek. I must look for them." With a determined little nod, Daisy set off on her adventure. First, Daisy swam near the tall cattails that whispered in the gentle breeze. There she met Freddie the frog, who was sitting on a lily pad. Freddie was croaking cheerfully. "Hello, Freddie. Have you seen my friends today?" Daisy asked politely. Freddie smiled his froggy smile and said, "I saw them heading towards the willow tree by the water's edge. Come along, and I'll hop with you." Daisy quacked happily, and together they glided through the water. Next, as they paddled past a cluster of water lilies, they encountered Terry the turtle, slowly munching on a tasty piece of seaweed. Terry looked up and said, "Hello, Daisy. Hello, Freddie. I haven't seen them here. Maybe they are playing by the big old oak tree over on the far side of the pond." Daisy's eyes lit up. "Thank you, Terry," she said, and with a friendly wave of her wing, she and Freddie continued on their little adventure. Soon the water grew a bit cooler as they approached the far side of the pond. Daisy noticed the tall, drooping branches of a grand willow tree. Its long leaves brushed the water like a soft, green curtain. "This must be the place," Daisy thought excitedly. With a splash, Daisy and Freddie reached the willow tree, and there, hiding behind a bush of water ferns, were her friends, Polly, the pigeon, Benny the beetle, and even Millie the minnow. They were giggling and whispering, playing a game of hide and seek. "Oh, my dear friends," Daisy quacked with joy. "I was worried I wouldn't find you." Polly flapped her wings and cooed, "We're here, Daisy. We were just having fun. We didn't mean to worry you." Benny and Millie joined in, their little voices full of cheer. Daisy's heart filled with happiness as all her friends gathered around her. Together they decided to have a grand game of splashes and quacks. They splashed in the water, chased each other along the shore, and played hide and seek beneath the twinkling leaves of the willow tree. As the sun began to lower in the sky, casting a warm golden glow over the pond, Daisy and her friends gathered on a soft patch of grass. They shared stories about their day and promised to always look out for one another. Daisy learned that even when things seem a little scary, like searching for missing friends, a little kindness and teamwork can turn any day into a wonderful adventure. And so, with a happy heart and tired, smiling faces, Daisy the duck and her friends said goodbye to the pond for the day, promising to meet again tomorrow for more fun, laughter, and splashes. The end.